This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gail Upchurch. Wow! What a find in Chesapeake! Solid brick ranch features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, den with Heatilator, can heat entire house, great kitchen and keeping area, hardwood floors, replacement windows, new roof, encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier. Detached garage claims the best of 2 worlds. 28 by 32 detached garage provides ample workspace, I-beam width of garage with movable trolley. Plus attached 16 by 28 sunroom enhanced with oversized insulated windows, French doors, tile floor, 3 indoor/outdoor ceiling fans and heat pump. And, open concept garage apartment, in-law suite, and/or man cave with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, kitchen includes oven, and refrigerator, bar, entertainment center and the most beautiful red oak floors. Need an elevator? The elevator closet is installed. Additional features are covered gazebo, metal shed, and fenced large backyard. For more information,